Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Vauxhall remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to press this button here and put the blade into the upright position. Now there's just a little housing just here that holds the key fob battery. So what we need to do is we need to get a small flat-headed screwdriver, and there is just a lock pin here. We need to slide it over or twist it into the unlock position. And now we can just prise out the housing. And there is your key fob battery. And we just pull it out of its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure that it goes the correct way up, the same way you pulled it out. On this one, the writing is facing upwards on the battery. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So you pop the bottom end in first, and then you just push the housing back in place. And now again, you get your flat-headed screwdriver and you just turn the pin into the lock position so it won't fall out. And there you go, it's all done.